Welcome to YP Investors Relative Strength tutorial video. YP Investors has a number of powerful stock analysis tools to help you grow your wealth. In this video, you will learn about one of our most powerful tools, the Relative Strength tool. So what is relative strength? Relative strength is a head-to-head comparison of two securities. A security can be a stock, bond, ETF, or likewise. Whichever security is performing better is declared the winner during the head-to-head comparison. An easy way to visualize relative strength is to picture a tug of war. Each side represents a security, and in the end, the stronger security wins the relative strength battle. The basic definition of a successful investor can be boiled down to this idea, that their winning investments outweigh their losing investments. What does this mean to you? With our YP Relative Strength tool, you are able to compare your securities to others that you may be interested in, or compare your security to the overall market. You'll now be able to analyze your investments to avoid the big losers and keep the winners. One step towards labeling yourself a successful investor. For example, you can compare Facebook and Amazon, and our YP Relative Strength tool will show you which security is outperforming the other. You can do the same for a stock like Google versus the market, and you will know whether it is better to invest in Google or the market. You can even compare a stock like Exxon versus an energy sector ETF and find out which is the better performer in a matter of seconds. Now that we know the importance of relative strength, let's go over how to use it. Our YP Relative Strength chart is plotted using point and figure charting. Check out our YP Investors point and figure charting tutorial video to learn more about our YP point and figure charts. The relative strength chart contains X's and O's and buy and sell signals. There are no trend lines, and the chart patterns do not matter for this chart. All that is important to us is the current column and the latest signal. The current column is a column found furthest to the right, and the latest signal is either a red box indicating a sell signal or a green box indicating a buy signal. These two factors help to determine the short-term and long-term winners in these head-to-head comparisons. Lucky for you, our YP Investors Relative Strength tool does that hard work and analysis for you. Enter the desired matchup and our tool will automatically display the short-term and long-term winner. Let's take a closer look at the Relative Strength charting tool. Starting at the top of the page, you'll see two different calculation options. The box on the left is a head-to-head comparison with the market, and the two boxes on the right are a head-to-head comparison of two securities. First, when comparing a security to the market, click the Calculate RS versus Market button. The market is an equal-weighted portfolio of the S&P 500, giving us a great representation of the market overall. Once you compare your security against the market, you will have a clear picture of just how strong that security is versus the stocks in the market. Notice that the long-term and short-term winners are displayed in either red or green. Red means losing, and green means winning. Below these results, you'll see a chart for additional analysis. Returning to the top of the page, you'll see two boxes on the right. These boxes are used for head-to-head comparisons of two securities. Whether you are interested in comparing stocks or ETFs, or both, you can enter them into the fields shown. Click the Calculate Head-to-Head RS button, and the short-term and long-term winners will be displayed. One important thing to note about relative strength charting is that you're only comparing one security to another and finding the stronger one. This does not mean that the stronger security will go up in price. It means that the stronger one is performing better than the losing one. The security that wins both short-term and long-term relative strength battles is the most desirable. The security that loses both long-term and short-term is the least desirable. This tool can help you find and hold on to winning stocks on your road to becoming a successful investor. Relative strength is a very powerful tool offered to our YP Investors members. It is a key component to successful investing and trading, and ultimately it will help you grow your wealth. Check out everything we have to offer at YP Investors, including our video tutorials, analysis tools, and community forum. Sign up for a free trial membership today, and thanks for watching.